Hi friends, it's Nicole with Caleb's Mom Shop and welcome back to my channel. Um, I had I have an email subscription and list, and I sent out an email earlier in the week, and occasionally I'll do this and I'll ask my subscribers if they have any questions or any ideas for my YouTube videos, because as much as I love making tutorials on my wreaths, I know there's other tips and tricks that you all might be interested in. So I sent this email out asking if anybody had any ideas or suggestions, and I got a subscriber. She was kind enough to give me a few ideas, so I'm going to use one of those today as my inspiration. And that is, it's very simple. Maybe not simple. It's very, this is not going to be a long video. It's basically how to remove a bow from your Bowmaker. If you've seen any of my videos, I use a Bowmaker on all bows. I can't do it freehand, freestyle. I've tried and I've tried, and it's something I'm continuing to work on, but in the meantime, this is my best friend. This is what I use for all my bows. And I do remember when I first started off, not too long ago, I had a heck of a time removing the bows. They would collapse or they'd move and they would look horrible. So it took a little bit of, I guess, trial and error to figure it out. And so I want to share with you what I have learned, and hopefully these tips and just techniques can help you. So this is not a bow tutorial. I'm going to just do something very simple, just to give you an idea. I'm going to do two different methods. So let's go do that, okay? And again, if you're interested, like I said, I do have an email list, so you can check that out in the comments. The link is on there. And so let's move you. So again, it's not a bow tutorial, but I need a bow to show you what I'm talking about. So I'm just going to do something very simple. I'm just going to do like 4 loops. Again, you can check out my other videos with bow tutorials if interested. Okay, so here we go. So say this is your bow, all right, and it's on your Bowmaker. For me, I always make sure I have a zip tie and a floral wire handy. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna, your bow is secure, and you're gonna just lift it up a little, just a little bit, okay? And so you're gonna take these two, like your pointer and your middle finger, and you're gonna put it underneath all of the ribbon, okay? And then you're gonna scoot it all the way up, and when it hits the top, you're gonna hold it, where you put the ribbon in, and you're gonna pinch, okay? And obviously there's gonna be more ribbon, more loops, but that's the gist. You're just gonna shimmy it up and you're gonna hold it like that. And then you can see there's like a little hole in between my fingers, and you're gonna just insert that zip tie over it. And again, and you're just going to move it so it's in the center, and that zip tie is going to be where these 2 metal prongs were. And before it gets too tight, you're going to put your floral wire in, because I use floral wire. That's what I use to attach the wreath to the bases. And you're just going to, and there you go. And then you can move your ribbon as you need. All right. So that is one method. You just, again, you take your pointer and your middle finger and you put it underneath the ribbons, and you shimmy it up, and then you'll put your thumb on top like that, okay? I hope that helps. All right, so that is the first method. Let me get some scissors. Okay, and the second method, again, we're just going to make a very simple bow because it's basically just to show you. So again, I'm just going to do 4 loops. And this might be better for I guess, if you're starting off with the Bowmaker, just because this technique will give you a little more support on your bow. And you'll understand what I mean in just a moment. Okay. Okay, so there you go. So you have your bow. All right. So you're going to take your zip tie and you're going to place it underneath the ribbons. You're going to pull it through. Okay, and you're going to use the same technique, but the zip tie is going to be the thing you're going to be guiding up. All right, so you have one part of the zip tie here, one part of the zip tie here. Okay, so you're going to shimmy it up again with your middle and your pointer finger, and there you go. And you already have your zip tie in place, and you just move it along. And this is so you don't even really have to move your fingers. Your zip tie is already there, and you can go ahead and secure your bow. And you can also, hold on, let me get this. And then put your floral wire in. And there you go. You could also, before you start even making your bow, you can put your zip tie in to start. So again, very 2 quick and I hope easy to understand tips to remove your bow from a Bowmaker. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. And again, I'm Nicole with Caleb's Mom Shop, and I just want to thank you for taking a few moments out of your busy day to spend it with me, doing something that I truly love, and that's make beautiful pieces for you all to enjoy, as well as provide you with some fun tips and tricks to help you with your crafting journey. So I hope you have, please subscribe to my channel. All of my current wreaths are available on my, right now I have Etsy, and I opened up a Shopify account or shop, which I'm super excited about. I'm eventually going to be transferring, making the move to go to Shopify. So you can check out that at calebsmomshop.com. And like I said earlier in the video, if you're interested, you could subscribe to my email list. It's fun. I send out not too many emails, but like I said, sometimes I'll ask for some ideas or suggestions, which was today's inspiration for this video. So that is it. I hope that was helpful. And yeah, I hope you all have a great day, and thank you so much. We'll chit chat soon. All right, bye-bye.